Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we are here with Mr. Mehul from Sunpure. Hello sir.
Hello.
Okay, so sir, firstly I would like to ask you something. Can you please tell our viewers about yourself and your company?
Okay, my name is Mehul Sharma. I am the CEO of Sunpure Technology India, and our company is looking into ARCS, which is Automatic Robotic Cleaning Solutions. So we deal in the solar PV plant, where our products help increase the overall generation of the plant while making the solutions more reliable, sustainable and intelligent.
Okay, and sir, if we talk about the product you are displaying this year at REI, can you please tell us about that?
Yes, so in this REI, the products that we have displayed are more or less towards the robotic cleaning solutions, which is also in short form known as ARCS, Automatic Robot Cleaning Solutions. So Sunpure has displayed its third generation, which is the latest and most advanced robotic cleaning system. These robots help in reducing the overall soiling losses of the solar power plant, where the energy gain expected out of any solar power plant is more than 2.5%. Also, it's a sustainable solution as these robots are dry cleaning solutions. Our third generation robots are more intelligent and smart because the platform on which they are based is artificial intelligence, AI platform, which uses different methodologies like deep learning and machine learning, where robots are smart enough to take decisions which are critical to its working and individually for each project. This is a product which gives a specific solution to each project, because every project site in India has a different kind of soiling losses, different type of climatic conditions, humidity. So our products are custom made to give benefit to each and every project.
Okay, and sir, if we talk about product, service offering and technology, what would you like to say?
So our product is based on the platform of AI, which is artificial intelligence. The basic difference between AI and a normal SCADA system is that based on the data collection points, our robots can adapt to the project situation, project conditions and take the decisions by themselves. These self-decision capability help reduce the time of decision and are much more efficient for any project. These robots can help clean up the entire project irrespective of the size. You can clean up a gigawatt of a plant in less than 3 hours. So you save time, increase in generation, in the same time you are saving a very valuable natural resource of water, since all these robots are based on dry cleaning methodology.
Okay sir, and sir, what are the plans of Sunpure regarding upcoming year and this year for expansion at any region from India or from global level?
Right. So we would first of all like to thank all our customers, partners who have supported Sunpure so much in India and globally. In India, we have already crossed 7 gigawatt of installed and supplied mark, which is a big landmark for us, and this has been done in approximately 2 years. So we are planning to expand in India, where we are trying to open at least more and more service stations, more and more warehouses where local manpower is being deployed, so that our reach to the clients and products become much more easier. Similarly, we are also planning to have much more product offering so that we can also cater to C&I segment. Till now, our major focus was on utility-based projects, large utility-based projects, but in India, C&I segment is something which has grown on a tremendous scale, and that market segment cannot be neglected. So we are coming up with our product and solutions for C&I segment also.
Okay, that's great sir. Sir, is there any key message you would like to tell our viewers about your journey?
Right. So the journey for Sunpure in India and globally has been amazing. The response, the customer feedback which they have received after using our robot has been very encouraging to us, and our only message is that our solar power plants should be more efficient, smarter, less dependent on human intervention and sustainable. So our SunPure robots cater to all of these points and give a solution which is sustainable for 30 years and more.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for connecting with EQ.
Thank you so much, and thank you to all the viewers of EQ.
Thank you, sir.